Assam Minister Piyush Hazarika, who allegedly threatened to journalists, has been issued a notice to appear before police, and his call recordings have been sent to forensic lab for examination, officials said today. Two cases filed at Jagirod police station by the journalists have been merged, and Mr. Hazarika has been booked under sections 500 defamation, 506 criminal intimidation, and 341 wrongful restraint of the IPC. The minister, who is contesting from the Jagirod constituency where polling took place in the second phase on Thursday, had allegedly threatened the two journalists for reporting about a controversial campaign speech by his wife. The statements of the journalists were recorded and a notice was issued to the minister in connection with the case. He has been asked to come to Jagirod PS for recording his statement, Morigao. District Superintendent of Police Nanda Singh Borkala said. Mr. Hazarika, the Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, said he will come to the police station on Sunday to give his statement, the official said. Mr. Borkala said the mobile phones of the scribes and that of Mr. Hazarika have been seized and the voice recordings of the conversation sent to a forensic laboratory in Guwahati. As per law and procedure, we will proceed in the case, he added. In the first information report, the two journalists, Nazrul Islam and Tulsi Manta of Assamese news channels claimed that Mr. Hazarika had threatened them with dire consequences at 1 p.m. on Thursday, when they were busy in poll coverage of the second phase in Morigao district. The police have also provided personal security cover to both the journalists. Meanwhile, the IG, Law and Order, Deepak Kumar Kedia, who is the nodal officer of the state police for the ongoing Assam Assembly elections, has sought a report from the district police on the case. Assam Congress chief Ripun Bora has also filed a complaint with the state's chief electoral officer, demanding Mr. Hazarika's disqualification from the polls. Other opposition parties like the Ayuth, Raijor Dal, Assam Jatiya Dal, ASU, AJIC, and several social groups also called for immediate disqualification of Mr. Hazarika from the elections. The Guwahati Press Club, GPC, condemned the act of intimidation by Hazarika. The minister also said in the telephonic conversation, which has now gone viral, that he was sad because the news was related to his wife, Aimee Baruya, who, while campaigning for her husband a few days ago, had made a controversial comment on the Citizenship Amendment Act.